Good morning. Welcome back to Live Free and Homestead. Today I'm going to test out Harbor Freight's chainsaw sharpening jig or machine. I've got a number of different chains in different conditions, and we're going to test them before and after and see how the sharpener works. I apologize for the road noise here. It's tough to film without hearing it. Okay, now this chain that's pretty dull, I've used for about 2 weeks. I have never hand sharpened this, so this is just dulled by cutting. This chain right here is brand new. It's exactly the same chain as this. It was a 2-pack. And then lastly, we have this chain over here that is quite a bit older. It has seen a lot of hand sharpening with a file. So we're also going to test this one out before and after, see how we do with all these. What we're going to be doing is, we got a piece of red oak here. So we'll be taking some slices off of it and trying to measure the time. Here is the sharpener that we're testing. Had this for a while now. I've never used it, so learning how to use it's going to be part of the video, I think. Wow, is that dull. Okay, I've got it installed on my bench here. I'm looking at the package to see if it says how many degrees the chain should be sharpened to. It doesn't. And you have to make actually three separate adjustments. The angle, which is right and left, in this case it was 30 degrees. Then you also have the depth of cut, which, so basically you've got to pull the wheel down into the chain and make sure that it is going to take off just a tiny bit of metal and no more. So you're going to have to adjust the depth of cut. And then there's also the pawl that helps you align the tooth with the cutting wheel. That again also has an adjustment. So you've got to really spend a few minutes here playing around with this to get this right. All right, I've set the angle to 30 degrees. It seems to match the angle that's currently on the chain. Alrighty, got to go get some eye protection. Gonna mark my starting point here. Looks pretty good, I think. We'll see. This particular chain, because of its length, has two of the same style teeth next to each other.
This whole mechanism, which is important, seems to be very flimsy. And I don't like the way it's rocking back and forth here. I'm going to see if I can adjust that somehow. So I have a washer that fits good over the plastic, I don't know what you want to call it, shoulder, standoff, whatever. But it hits the plastic here. See, there's a little shoulder there. So I gotta make the outer diameter of this washer smaller.
Sorry you couldn't see that.
Okay, now that's a lot better. You shouldn't have to do that. But let's give it a whirl now. Okay, let's give it a try now. Alrighty, we're back to the beginning on that side, so let's swing to the other side. Now, apparently, I have to make some major adjustments to deal with this side, apparently. Oh, wait, maybe I'm wrong about that. Hold on. Well, it looks like I need to make a minor adjustment. The tooth is almost touching the wheel, but not quite. All right, let's give that a whirl. I definitely need to go more. To be fair, since this chain was hand sharpened, I might have, you know, maybe took more off the one side than the other, that kind of thing. Maybe that's why I had to adjust it on this side. Alrighty, we've gone through the entire chain. I like the looks of it. We'll see. All right, let's do the test now. Well, that is a lot better. I'll go in and analyze the actual times it took for each cut, and I'll put together a chart. So here are my impressions of the sharpener. It is quite cheap, both in price and I think in quality. It's plastic and it's a little flexy and, you know, all that kind of thing. I had to add this washer here to get this pawl that you use to keep the chain lined up. I had to add that washer to make it work properly, but I think it did a great job sharpening. So for the, I think it was 35 bucks or something like 35 bucks at the time. I don't know, it might be a different price now. It definitely works. I'm definitely gonna sharpen my chains with this. I'll probably, you know, in the field, use a file still. But when they get bad, definitely this is the approach, because I'm sure you noticed that chain that had seen a lot of filing was very, very dull, and worked quite well after sharpening. Alrighty, thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe. Share the video with others. That would help me build the channel, and Have a good day from the Live Free and Homestead channel. Bye.